Hello friends, in this video we will talk about basic of investment. Stock market investment refers to buying and selling shares of publicly traded companies. It is a way to build wealth over time but also comes with risks. Here's a basic overview of stock market investment. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a share of a company, you own a small piece of it. Common stocks give shareholders voting rights and potential dividends. A marketplace is a place where investors buy and sell stocks. Major stock exchanges include the National Stock Exchange, NSE, and Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE. Prices of stocks fluctuate based on supply and demand, company performance, and broader economic factors. You can buy stocks through brokers or online platforms. Types of stock market investors. There are two types of investors. One is long-term investors, who focus on buying stocks and holding them for years or decades to benefit from the company's growth. Second one is traders. They aim to make short-term profits by buying and selling stocks frequently, often based on price movements. Risk versus reward. Risk. Stock prices can be volatile, and you can lose money if the stock price falls. Reward. Stocks offer the potential for higher returns compared to other investments like bonds or savings accounts over the long term. Investment strategies for getting better reward. 1. Diversification. Spread your investments across various sectors and companies to reduce risk. 2. Buy and hold. Invest in good companies and hold their stocks for a long time to benefit from growth and compounding. 3. Cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount regularly, regardless of stock price, which averages out your purchase price over time. How to buy stocks? Open a brokerage account, which acts as an intermediary between you and the stock market. There are two types of brokerage accounts. One is full-service brokers. They offer advice but charge higher fees. Second is discount brokers. They charge low fees and are popular for online investing. Link to open brokerage account is given in description. Investing tips for beginners. 1. Start small. Begin with an amount you are comfortable losing. 2. Educate yourself. Learn about the companies you are investing in and the factors that drive stock prices. 3. Stay patient. Stock market investment is usually more rewarding over the long term rather than short-term trading. By understanding these basics, you can start investing in the stock market with greater confidence. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more information.